So we are taking HDE, okay, right? Yeah. So in HDE, we have already taken two problems, so we'll just continue. Yeah. Exercise. You won't require a picture. Sketch. Exercise 8.4. Question number 2, 3, 4, and 5 are pending. We'll just complete it. Exercise 8.4, question number 2. Okay. Y square dx plus xy plus x square dy is equal to 0. Right? Okay. Now, what is common over here? X is common. Let's analyze this. X is common over here. Within the bracket, what will be there? Y plus x. Y और x के बीच में plus sign आ गया. We cannot separate x and y terms. So variable separable is not really possible. Method of substitution, it's not clear what should be equal to t. Okay. So we'll have to correct. So that's a very right identification. Individual terms are having power 2. So it's uniform throughout, consistent throughout. Can someone tell me what is dy by dx? It is minus y square upon. Why have we done minus y square? Minus will go on the right hand side and cross multiplication. Okay. HDE with degree 2. Why HDE with degree 2? Degree is 2 throughout. Treat y as x. Okay. And in HD problem, there won't be exponential, logarithmic and all. HD का problem में वो सब नहीं रहेगा. Fine. Have you understood this? HD degree 2. Put y is equal to vx. Standard procedure. You're copying na? D by dx of y. D by dx of vx. Dy by dx. X d by dx of v plus v d by dx of x. So dy by dx. X dv by dx plus v into 1. Correct? Or rather, we'll just write down plus v. Because dy dx of x is 1. Okay. Now from 1, can someone tell me what changes I'm supposed to do in 1? X dv by dx plus v. Okay. Minus y square. What is y square? Vx the whole square. Correct? Put the value of y as vx. X into vx plus x square. X dv by dx plus v minus v square x square. X square v plus x square. I said you yesterday that something will get cancelled on the right hand side when we are doing HD. So minus v square x square cancel. 1 plus v square. Okay. X square gone. Okay. So x dv by dx. Take plus v on the right hand side. It will become minus v. Do you agree? I think this is wrong. 1 second. I wrote v square. It shouldn't be v square, right? We'll just write v plus 1 or 1 plus v. Okay. So this also has to be changed. V plus 1. Okay. So x dv by dx minus v plus 1, and this is v plus 1. Clear? LCM I have taken. X dv by dx minus v square minus v upon v plus 1. Correct? X dv by dx minus 2v square minus v plus 1. Okay. Anything is common in the numerator? Minus v is common, right? 2v plus 1 upon v plus 1. Can we cancel anything over here? We cannot. Okay. X dv minus 2v v plus 1 upon v plus 1 dx. This is probably one of the largest problems in HDE. Okay. Now, can we separate the x terms and y terms, x terms and b terms? Yes. So v plus 1, v, 2v plus 1, dv. Hey, dv and dx we are not going to change. They have to be in the numerator. And ये minus sign का left hand side में लेके कुछ काम नहीं है. So I'm just keeping that minus sign or any constant over there, right hand side में. Right? Minus what? Minus what? Good. 1 upon x dx. Now integration of v plus 1, v, 2v plus 1 dv, minus sign outside, integration of 1 upon x. Right? Now let this be I1. The left hand side, let it be I1 minus log mod x plus c. Equation number 2. Because I1 we need to solve separately. I1 v plus 1 2v plus 1 dv. Okay. Are you understanding this? Now this is a task. Can someone recollect? The degree of the numerator is 1, degree of the denominator is 2. How the degree of the denominator is 2? V into v square. So degree is less. So we'll apply partial fractions. Okay. V plus 1, v, 2v plus 1, 2v plus 1, a upon v upon 2v plus 1. थोड़ा बहुत याद आया? A, B value. C is not there because third factor is not there. So this is linear factor, partial fraction type 1 in integration we had done. Okay, distinguished linear factors. This is linear. Why this is linear, guys? Why V is linear? V ka power 1h. Why this is linear? V ka power is 1. Okay. So V plus 1, V, 2V plus 1, take LCM. A into 2V plus 1, B into V. After taking LCM, we are going to cancel this out. Okay, we have to number these equations very clearly. 3, 4, and 5. After cancelling, we'll get equation number 5. Now, when we did partial fractions, each linear factor was equated to 0. If V is equated to 0, value of V is 0 only. Value of V is 0. So put V is equal to 0 in 5. 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3. You remember that? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, that thing. So 0 plus 1 2 into 0 plus 1 plus b into 0. What is a? 1. Do you agree? We got the value of a. Then put equate the next factor to 0. If we put 2v plus 1 is equal to 0, what is v? 2v plus 1 is equal to 0. V is equal to minus half. So put v is equal to minus half in 5. Minus half plus 1. 2 into minus half plus 1. B into minus half. What will be the value of this? Anyone? Bolo? How? Minus b by 2. So half is equal to minus b by 2. B is equal to minus 1. Clear? 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3. So 3, 4, 5 is done. 5 is done. Now 4 and then 3. So put AB values in 4. Right, guys? You're understanding this? Okay. So V plus 1 upon V into 2V plus 1. What is A? What is A? 1 upon V. What is B? Minus 1. 2V plus 1. Integration. Now this is from 3. 1 upon V minus. How this became minus suddenly? Plus into minus is minus. समझा ना कि वो online कहीं पे ना. Log V. 1 upon X formula. Can you tell me what about this? 1 upon 2V plus 1. D by dV of 2V plus 1. Clear? Plus C. Upon 2. Correct? By the way, this is I1. Huh? I1, this is not I. Take LCM. 2 log B. 2V plus 1 plus 2C. What should I write this as? Log? Very good. Log V square. Okay. Log A minus log B. Log A upon B. Clear? Okay. I think just wait. थोड़ा सा ये लेंथी हो जाएगा उससे. Just cancel out the steps. Sorry for that. Yeah, so I'll go back. That was right indeed. That was right, but then something else. Log V minus half log 2V plus 1. Okay. Half will go on the top. What is something raised to half? Root. Do this. This is better. That's what I feel. It was one and the same thing, but then thoda sa, I think this we should apply. Okay. Plus C1. I1 के अंदर C1 रहेगा. Make it C1. In I1, make it C1. Okay, now we'll put the value of V. What is V? Y upon X, right? Clear? We got the value of I1. Now what? Now go back. Equation number 2. See equation number 2. We are going to put that value over here in place of I1. And don't write C1 now. That's fine. Okay. So from 2, I1 log y upon x equal to what? Minus log x plus c. Plus log x equal to c. This x I've taken down over here. And what is log a plus log b? Okay. Log a b. What will happen if we do this log a plus log b log a b? Correct. Good. Again, perfect. But then this x will also get cancelled, right? And she's absolutely right. Log a is equal to b. A is equal to what? E raised to c. Group of constants. C1. General solution. Clear? Sure. Yeah. So it's a very lengthy problem. Hmm. Probability is low, but then there are only 6 problems in HDE. So probability of this problem appearing is 1/6. Option भर भर के रहेगा पेपर में, but in maximum don't try to keep anything in option. क्या? Now this might not match with the textbook answer, but then that's fine. Okay, they might have squared and all to eliminate the root, but then that's not necessary. This much is fine. So see, those who want to try that, squaring both the sides, y square upon c1 square c2. C1 square is written as C2. Again, constant. Na? C1 is a constant, C1 square is also a constant. So C2. Okay. Take that x up, C2. This is the general solution. If you want to do this, you can also do this. Okay. But then as it is, the sum is very lengthy. अगर टाइम रहेगा एग्जाम में एंड ये क्लिक होता है तो ही करो. फाइन. अच्छा. Now see, in integration I taught you this. If the degree is same, make numerator same as denominator. Okay. So make it same, right? What should be written over here? Plus 3 and then split and solve. So these strategies are important over here also. Now this is individual integration. This is 1 and this is 3 integration of 1 upon x minus 2. Okay. Right. So let's go to question number 3. x square y dx. Okay, just a second. You can copy the question. X cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. You can figure out whether it is HDE or not. How? Yeah. So see, there is plus sign in between x and y terms. We cannot really separate this. X square y dx is equal to x cube plus y cube dy. So what is dy by dx? X square y x cube plus y cube. Okay. So I'm just putting a star over here. That means those steps will be repeated. Put y is equal to vx, all those steps. By the way, this is HD with degree 3. Why 3? Individual terms. There are 3 individual terms. The power is consistent, 3. Okay. There is a lengthier method to understand this, huh? But then it's okay. Okay. Proper way is there to identify how it is HD. But then fine, that's fine. Okay. I have given you a shortcut. So if this is 1 from 1. So what is dy by dx? Can you tell me what is dy by dx? X dv by dx plus v. Now this is for the third or fourth time we are doing now. Put y is equal to vx. All those steps you can copy from the previous problem. Or just put a star and then, okay. X square vx. What I'm doing on the right hand side, can someone explain? What? Good. What? Y is equal to vx. Will something get cancelled? Correct. Now take this plus v on the right hand side. X dv by dx minus v LCM. Now this problem is going to be relatively simple. X dv by dx v minus v plus v cube. V and v is gone. Okay. X dv. You can go on copying. You don't require my help over here now. Dx 1 plus v cube upon v cube. I'm feeling something is missing over here. Are the steps correct? X cube plus y cube. Steps are correct, right? Yeah. Integration. Now what to do over here? Will you tell me? Split and solve. Left hand side. Okay. 1 upon v cube upon v cube. dv log mod x plus c. Clear? Okay. Just stop writing, please. V raised to minus 2 upon minus 2. How v raised to minus 2 upon minus 2? N plus 1 upon n plus 1. Minus sign up. 2 will remain down, huh? V square. Okay. log mod x plus c. What is v? Plus y upon x. Log mod x plus c minus x square upon 2y square plus y upon x log mod x plus c. This is the general solution. Okay. I think I've missed something over here. I'm just getting that feeling कि कुछ तो गलत किया है. Just give me 2 minutes. Um, v upon 1 plus v cube minus v1. This should be plus, right? Yeah. Okay. And hence this should be minus. Correct? And this should be v raised to 4. बोला ना कुछ तो I think I had done something wrong. Sorry. So sorry for this. Yeah. So v upon, I'll take LCM minus v 1 plus v cube 1 plus v cube. Okay. So make those changes. I'm going to do that once again. Okay, so let us start from here. You can copy. But then again, the procedure will be same. It won't be that complicated. V raised to 4, this will be okay. Right? I forgot this now. V into V cube. I had written V cube only earlier. Okay. X dv by dx. V raised to 4 1 plus V cube dx. Send this dx on the other side. Now separate the terms. 1 plus V cube upon V raised to 4 dv is equal to minus 1 upon x dx. Correct? How to integrate this, guys? After separation, how to integrate this? Split and solve. 1 upon v raised to 4 v cube upon v raised to 4 minus log mod x plus c v raised to minus 4 plus 1 upon v. Okay, dv minus log mod x plus c. Guys, you're understanding this? V raised to minus 3 upon minus 3 plus log mod v. I'm taking that log mod x on the other side, it became plus. What is log a plus log b? Log a plus log b? Log ab. And what is vx? Y. Okay. And what is v? In short, we have to replace the value of v. V is y upon x. यहाँ पर भी if you put v as y upon x, x will get cancelled and y will remain. Minus x cube upon 3y cube plus log y is equal to c. That's it. This is the general solution. Okay. Yeah. The next problem, that is question number 4. Okay. dy by dx plus x minus 2y 2x minus y is equal to 0, right? Now between x and y terms there is minus sign, and method of substitution is also not workable over here because it is x minus 2y and down it is 2y minus x. It's way opposite. So we cannot randomly take something as t. To take something as t, it should be easily visible over there. Okay, if we take x minus 2y as t, then what will be 2x minus y? We cannot take that as t, na? Right? Okay. If something is like this, x plus 3 plus, let's say c, and 2x plus 3 minus 3. Can I take 2x plus 3 is equal to t? Yes. So there should be a workable plan for method of substitution, which is not over here, right? So dy by dx, what is dy by dx? X minus 2y upon 2x minus y. Why minus sign? Now, individual terms, what is the power? 2 is a constant. Individual terms, the power is 1. So what? HD with degree 1. HD with degree 1, right? HD with degree 1. Put y is equal to vx. That's it. Right, everyone? So this is equation number 1. And if you put y is equal to vx, all those steps you need to write. What will be dy by dx? X dv by dx plus v. Clear? X dv by dx plus v minus x 1 minus 2v, x 2 minus v. This is gone. So can I write this as 2v minus 1 upon 2 minus v? How this became 2v minus 1? Anyone? Minus sign inside the bracket. 2v minus 1. Did you understand? So x dv by dx 2v minus 1, 2 minus v minus v. Clear? X dv by dx. Take LCM on the right hand side. X dv dx. Okay? 2v gone. Right, guys? So x dv v square minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus v dx. So 2 minus v square minus 1 dv, 1 upon x dx. Right? Integrate. What is the issue over here? Left hand side. I1. Equation number 2. Now why I have tagged it as I1? Because this is a very lengthy procedure of partial fractions. But then this will be relatively easy because fraction nahi aayega beta bracket. What is v square minus 1? V plus 1? V minus 1. Okay. So I1, I'm just taking I1 and solving it separately now. V plus 1, V minus 1, dV. Clear? V plus 1, V minus 1 dV. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3. So now this steps you know, na? Previously we had done this. A upon V plus 1, B upon V minus 1, Equation 4. V plus 1, V minus 1. A into V minus 1, V plus 1. This and this got cancelled. Equation number 5. So this thing is quite clear, no? Now what to equate to 0? The two factors, not V. V plus 1 equal to 0, so V is equal to minus 1. And V minus 1 is equal to 0, so V is equal to 1. So two iterations. Put V is equal to minus 1 in 5. 2 minus minus 1. Clear? Minus 2A. A is equal to minus 3 by 2. Put V equal to 1 in 5. 2 minus 1, A into 1 minus 1, P into 1 plus 1. This is 0 and this is B. B is equal to half. Where to put this A and B values? 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4. Okay. In equation number 4. So put AB in 4. AB in 4. So 2 minus V, V plus 1, V minus 1. A, what is A? Minus 3 by 2. B plus 1. What is B? Half. Okay. Now from 3, integration of this. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 outside. Integration of V plus 1 dV, individual integration. Half outside, 1 upon V minus 1 dV. 3 by 2 log V plus 1. Half log V minus 1 plus C1. Okay. Now see guys, this half is still fine. We can take that half upper. But taking this number over here, okay, it is quite possible to solve that, but then we'll avoid it. If the number is big, 2 or half रहेगा तो बात अलग है. But then if some other number is there, don't go in that solution. We'll keep our solution very simple over here. Okay. So this is the value of I1. This is the value of I1. Okay. Now from 2, minus 3 by 2 log V plus 1 plus half log V minus 1 is equal to minus log x or log x. Just check. So log x plus. Okay. So minus 3 by 2, just put the value of V. Okay. X plus y upon x, take LCM. General solution. Why I avoided clubbing all the log terms? Because of that minus 3 by 2. Correct? Now there will be one last problem on HDE. Then HDE topic will get over. Then Friday we are going to do LDE. Linear differential equation. Then ask her. You know that girl sitting over there. She is writing a test. 100 problems का वो दिया था उन्होंने. See, look at her. Shara, show your homework booklet. Your life is simple. JC guys. Okay. Yeah, guys. So I think one last problem that is not this lengthy. It's a very small problem. Then I will only mark those 6-7 HDE problems. उसके बाद कुछ आएगा नहीं. Fine. Check now from the textbook. The question is absolutely right. Okay. So question number 5. X square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. Okay. Now it's quite visible. Individual terms, what is the degree? 2. No need to break our head over here. We just have to get what? Dy by dx. Are you understanding? Can someone tell me what is dy by dx? Minus 2xy. So y square minus x square upon 2xy. How this became y square minus x square? This minus, if I give it to this particular bracket, the terms will reverse. So dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square and 2xy. HDE with degree 2. Okay, these steps you need to write in the exam. Put y is equal to vx. We are not writing it because, yeah. So from 1, what is dy by dx? X dv by dx plus v. What is y? Vx. Okay. V square x square minus x square 2vx square. Correct? Okay. X square gone. What to do with this plus v? Correct. So x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 2v minus v. Take LCM 2v square upon 2v. X dv v square minus 2v square is what? Minus v square. Okay. Dx. Right? You want me to go slow? Okay. Now take that minus sign common over there. Okay. Now 2v upon v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus 1 upon x dx. Now this is simple. Okay. Yes, Akshara. What is 2v upon v square plus 1? How to solve this? Ha. So this is f dash v upon f of v. Function and its derivative ऊपर. What is the derivative of v square plus 1? 2v. It's in the top. F of v, sorry, not x, f of v. Hey, you know this property? थोड़ा बहुत, does it recollect? F dash v upon f of v. V square plus 1. Okay. Now to all simplification steps are there. log A plus log B, log AB. Okay. So x into v square plus 1 is equal to, anyone? Can you tell me over here which property? Log A equal to B. Therefore, A is equal to e raised to B. E raised to C. Good. Now, what is e raised to C? Group of constants. So C1 और यहाँ पे you can just put v का value. V is y upon x. Okay. So x square plus y square is equal to C1x. That x I have just transferred. Okay. Not required. You can end your general solution here also. Not a problem. Fine. But then these are the steps. यहाँ पे okay. Go to page number 173, everyone. Page number 173, question number 11, 12, and 13. Done. Okay. They are the exercise problems only repeated over here. Fine. So that ends our discussion on HDE. So on Friday, we are going to do what? LDE. Last topic. Second last. Next week, we'll be doing word problems on maybe Monday or Tuesday.